Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 packet loss. So if you got this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to open the start menu as you from here and search for CMD or command prompt. As you from here, you need to click on it, and after it opens you need to write ipconfig slash flush DNS. Hit on enter, and now it will tell you that it successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, as you from here. So this will help a lot in fixing this issue. The next thing that you need to do is to open the start menu again and search for the settings app, as you from here. Click on it, and now from here you can actually go to network and internet. So go to the advanced network settings from here, and now from here you will find the network reset option. You need to click on it, and now you can click on reset now. So hit on yes, and that will reset the network settings. So this will help a lot in fixing this issue. So that's actually how you can fix the packet loss problem in Battlefield 6. If this didn't fix your issue, you can try to connect to another network or stabilize your network by connecting an Ethernet cable. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.